Have you ever felt like you would give anything to get rid of pain? It can be physical, mental, or emotional pain because you couldn't take it any longer. I remember shortly after giving birth, I was exhausted. I was in so much pain. No one could figure out why. At first, they thought it must be from a C-section, so they gave stronger painkillers, but that didn't seem to work. Then they thought it must be scar tissue, but they couldn't do anything about it because I just had a major surgery. They wanted to rule out the possibility of tumors, but I couldn't get an MRI scan because breastfeeding mothers cannot get one. I even thought that surgeons might have left some surgical tool inside me. The mind, you see, it comes up with bizarre ideas when we are helpless. That pain was killing me. Doctors couldn't help me. Everyone around me gave up, but I didn't want to give up. There must have been something that they did not consider. So I invoked the healer inside me and started learning what my body was telling me. First, I listened to cues from the symptoms. See, the body is a black box, and the symptoms are trying to say something is going on inside this black box. In my case, it was pain at the incision. I needed to get to the root of this problem to understand where it all started. The one who is suffering can focus on their habits and connect the dots by the union of the mind with the body. When I did that, I realized that the pain was coming from weak, scarred gut. More painkillers I was given at this stage, the worse it was getting. This understanding helped me come up with remedies to reduce my pain and heal my entire gut. Surprising thing is that these healing model steps, which came intuitively at that lowest point in my life, are from yoga theory, and they are called Chaturvyuh. It transformed my pain into profound healing. Namaste, I'm Nalini Om. I'm here to share with you a transformative yoga healing method and to introduce mind yoga. The 4 steps given in the Chaturvyuh model of healing in a yoga in Sanskrit language are: the first step is Heyam. Heyam means understanding the symptoms. The second step is Hetu. Hetu means understanding the root cause of the symptoms. Third step is Hanam, means connecting with higher self, which we all can do with a little bit of training of mind yoga. Fourth step and the final step is Upaayam. Upaayam means finding the remedies, something we look for eagerly, desperately when we are in so much pain. I used all these steps at that stage, unknowingly probably, and later I found out that these are from yoga philosophy, and I got interested in holistic methods of healing and dived deep into yoga philosophy studies. What I learned from this personal experience and yoga philosophy studies can all be brought down to fundamentals of what is called mind yoga, which many people do not know about. A lot of people know about what is called physical yoga, yoga for stretching and relaxing. However, that is only one small part of what real yoga is. Real yoga is more about the mind. Now, what is this mind? Mind is that part of us wherein we think, feel, and understand life. And mind yoga is a practice that extends far beyond the commonly held perception that yoga is a mere physical exercise. By the way, mind yoga is not sheer determination, not mind over body. With mind yoga, we can eliminate the mindless chatter and silence the mind. Create mind space to invite transformative changes, unlock healing potential, and heal at cellular and molecular levels. With mind yoga practice, we can destroy the impurities such as fear, worry, and needless mind chatter. With mind yoga, we can rise as consciousness, light of wisdom dawns. My favorite one. It helps us deal with everyday challenges with practical wisdom. It boosts our bottom line performance in terms of physical and mental strength. Whether you're dealing with constant pain, desire deeper transformation, or deeper connection with self, you do want to explore what mind yoga has to offer to you. I believe that mind yoga has laid out this path for us, and our minds have those depths that we can use to heal ourselves, using which I transformed myself and trained many yoga participants to gain physical and mental strength, or I must say, find their best self. My goal is to provide this yoga for mind method to connect with our minds and improve life. I believe we all can do it.